Hey all, today I would like to share with all of you that how do I maintain my house and keep it neat and tidy. Many of you have asked me this question that how do I do it without any helping hand. So the answer to that is my vacuum cleaner Dyson V12S Submarine. Though the video is not sponsored by Dyson, but all thanks to the wonderful machine, because that makes me do my cleaning very easily, and that helps me to do the wet and dry cleaning every day. So come, let's see how I do that.
Home cleaning is my passion and I love to do this work. You can say it is my most favorite work, and to me, like, I'll have to do it. Nobody forces me, nobody tells me that I have to do it at this time. But I myself love to clean my house. Let me know in the comment section, like me, how many of you all love to do it. And I believe the home is where the heart is. So that's the reason I keep cleaning my home and I love to do it. Today I want to share with all of you a story of my life. I remember a few years before, when we used to stay on rent, every weekend I used to stroll around my society in the evening to see the beautiful flats around and how do they look like from the windows. My husband used to tell me always that a few years later I will make sure that you have one of the most beautiful houses. And today I am so happy and I'm so lucky that I'm a part of this home. And it's all because of my close friends, my parents. My father is no more with us, but I know his blessings are there with me. And my mom, who has always been with me in all my ups and downs in my life. My husband, and who is always there with me as a big support system. And thanks to all of you for making my dream comes true. Thank you. I believe that wet cleaning is very important and essential. So that is one of the most important reasons why I bought this vacuum cleaner with wet and dry cleaning features. And every day after doing the dry cleaning, I make sure I do the wet cleaning, because that gives me a very big satisfaction that my house is wet clean. You all can see that how it is going inside behind the sofa, and I can clean, do the wet cleaning so easily with this Dyson, and it is extremely effortless because you don't require any pressure. You just the machine you need to move around. It's very easy. For sofa and cushions also, it is very useful because it keeps it clean and germ free, and you can use the cushions for a longer time, the cushion covers for a longer time without doing a wet cleaning, if you just do a vacuuming on a daily basis on your sofa and on your cushions. A lot of time people asked me that what is your most favorite place or destination. I always say it's my home. My home is the one which gives me peace, and it is my happy place. So I love my home.
So I've shared with all of you the secret behind my neat and clean house. So that's all for today now. Until next, Me, Paulomi, signing off from Welcome to My Wand.